So now that you already learned quite a bit about ChatGPT and its capabilities and features, I want to conclude this first course section here by giving you a brief overview of the course and what to expect from that course. And I want to start by emphasizing that for this course, you need no prior ChatGPT experience. You can get started with it today, and this course is for you. You need no prior coding experience, because whilst we will also show you how you can use ChatGPT to generate code and to write programs, you don't need any programming knowledge for that, though we of course also will have some content that does show people with programming experience how to boost their productivity, but that's just a small part of the course. And therefore, this course truly is built for everyone. Now, we built this course such that we basically have multiple layers of content, you could say. And in the next course sections, we'll start by giving you a solid foundation. You will learn how to get started with ChatGPT. You will learn which core features it offers, beyond what you already learned in this first course section. And you will also get a glimpse behind the scenes, so that you understand what's happening behind the scenes and under the hood, and how ChatGPT generally works. That it's not magic, but of course nonetheless very impressive. Now, once you got that foundation, we'll dive deeper, and you will learn how to use ChatGPT efficiently. We'll dive into prompt engineering, which is all about giving you the tools to write highly efficient prompts so that you can get exactly the results from ChatGPT that you need for your day-to-day work. And with those tools throughout the course, you will learn how to use ChatGPT for utility tasks like drafting emails, translating text, and so on. You will learn how to use it for content creation, like creating blog posts or tweets, social media posts, video scripts, and much more. And you will also learn how to use it for coding, both with and without programming experience. You will learn how you can use ChatGPT to generate code and build programs, even if you don't know anything about programming and coding. And you will also learn how you can use existing coding skills you might have, if you do have them, to boost your productivity as a developer. So as mentioned, this course really is for everyone. And you will also not just learn about ChatGPT in this course. Instead, you will also learn about Midjourney, which is an amazing AI tool for generating images. And you will also not just learn about all these things and concepts in theory or with small, tiny examples, but instead we also have some hands-on course sections where we will really walk you through more complex examples and more complex demos. And of course, there you will also be able to practice what you learned in this course. And we'll also leave ChatGPT and the web interface behind us at some point, because in this course you will also learn how you can use the underlying GPT models in your own programs, so that you could build your own chatbot or build utility programs that leverage OpenAI's GPT models in your own code, which is really amazing. You will also learn how to use tools like AutoGPT or LangChain to automate AI processes or build your own automated AI tools. Truly powerful stuff, and we will get there step by step, starting with that foundation. Now, of course, since this course has so much content and so many concepts you will learn about, it's also super important to us to make sure that you truly get the most out of this course. And since this is a video course, that of course starts with watching the videos, but please watch them at your pace. Use those video player controls to speed us up if we're going too slow or slow us down if we're going too fast. Also, take advantage of the fact that it's an on-demand video course. Repeat or pause videos whenever you need to. Feel free to repeat entire sections if you forgot about a certain concept, or if something's not entirely clear after watching a certain section for the first time. Take advantage of this on-demand nature of this course. But our recommendation is also that you don't just watch the videos, but that you instead follow along actively, which simply means that you should also pause the videos from time to time and try things out on your own. And don't just try the things we're showing you, but instead practice what you learned by simply playing around with ChatGPT. Because ultimately, that is how you will learn the most. But here's one important note regarding this. Even if you were to use exactly the same prompts we're showing you in our videos, you will very likely not get exactly the same results. Because ChatGPT and the models it's using under the hood simply have some built-in randomness, you could say. So even if you provide exactly the same input, the same prompts, you will not necessarily get exactly the same results. And that's just something to be aware of. When following along with this course and when practicing what we're showing you, there won't be a right or a wrong solution or a right or wrong way of talking to ChatGPT. Instead, there just are certain concepts and techniques you might want to use, which we'll teach you in this course. But then, as mentioned, when it comes to the results being generated by ChatGPT, there will be differences and there is randomness included. And last but not least, also help each other. This course comes with a Q&A section which you can use to ask questions, but don't just ask there, instead also answer the questions of other students, because by answering, you're challenged to think about a problem and come up with a solution. And by sharing your solutions or your ideas, everyone benefits. So take advantage of this Q&A section as a tool to share and spread your knowledge. And besides this Q&A section, we also got a Discord community, which you can also join for free, where you will find more fellow learners and students. And with that, you got everything you need to dive into this course and master ChatGPT and these AI tools.